In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a free PDF to Mailchimp subscribers. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable download button in your email that links directly to your PDF hosted by Mailchimp. This approach keeps your emails lightweight and improves deliverability since you're sharing a link instead of attaching a file. Start by heading to your Mailchimp account and signing in. From the dashboard, look for the option to create a new email. Choose Create Email to open a fresh campaign. This is the starting point for crafting the message that will deliver your PDF to subscribers. When the layout screen appears, open the full list of basic layouts so you can see the standard templates. These are simple, flexible starting points that work well for most designs. Pick a template that suits your content style. Something with a clear place for a call to action works especially well here. Click the template you want, then apply it to jump into the email editor. Inside the editor, you'll see your email preview on the left and the content panel on the right. Navigate to the Content Blocks area. This is where all the building blocks live: text, images, dividers, and the one we need, a button. Click the button block and drag it into your email layout where you want readers to find the PDF. Place it near the top or after a short introduction so subscribers don't have to hunt for it. With the button in place, click it to open its settings. Look for the link to dropdown in the button options. By default, it may be set to a web address, but for this purpose, open the dropdown and select File. Choosing File tells Mailchimp you want to link the button to a document that Mailchimp will host for you, which keeps the email streamlined and avoids issues that attachments can cause. Next, click Add File. In the file manager that opens, choose Upload from Device. This lets you browse your computer and select the PDF you intend to share. Locate your PDF, select it, and confirm the upload. A quick tip here: use a clear, final version of your document and keep the file size reasonable. A descriptive file name also helps with organization and clarity. Once the file finishes uploading, Mailchimp stores it and generates a hosted link automatically. Now return to the button's text and rename it to something clear and action-oriented, such as Download PDF. Short, direct text performs best and sets the right expectation for your readers. While you're here, feel free to adjust the button's style, color, size, and alignment so it stands out without clashing with your brand. The goal is to make it obvious and easy to click. When you've set the link and the label, use the Preview Link option to confirm everything is working. This opens a quick preview so you can click the button and verify that it takes you straight to the PDF you just uploaded. Make sure the document opens correctly and the content looks right. If the link needs adjusting, return to the button settings and confirm the link to option is still set to File and that the correct PDF is selected. At this point, you've created an email with a properly linked download button, hosted by Mailchimp, which is exactly what we want for a smooth subscriber experience. Your audience will see the button, click it, and instantly access the PDF without large attachments clogging inboxes. To wrap up, ensure your email copy briefly introduces the resource and explains why it's valuable. Keep the button placement prominent and confirm the preview link works as expected. That's the complete process for sending a free PDF to your Mailchimp subscribers using a clean download button and a hosted file link.